name is Rachel. I am Sales and Marketing Manager at Optiven. I am with Matthew. He's one of our clients. He heard us from Hope FM. He resides in Canada, and today was his first day to come and view.
We head out to Imani Breeze Estate, a 7-minute drive away from Kitengela town. The soft-spoken Matthew Chesa, accompanied by his wife, who preferred to stay away from the spotlight, has risked conducting all payments with Optiven based on faith. The gated community occupies 22 acres and hosts value additions of a wide variety. These value additions include internal Maram roads, indigenous trees that help maintain the temperature and breeze in the area, a 24,000-litre storage tank, a 3-phase power grid, borehole water, and water piping system.
He says the plots are so big he can't even imagine, and he's so overwhelmed.
How do you feel about seeing your plot?
It's really good. It's a good feeling, considering the fact that all this time I was just talking with Optiven, and then finally, after all this time, after purchasing the property, I'm here now, getting to see the property. Everything was done in such an excellent way. Everything was handled with a lot of integrity, and it's a good feeling to finally be here.
Since here you cannot do the stone wall, if you start now the trees, by the time you're coming to construct, the fence will be tight enough.
Yeah.
This is a very nice, this makes a very nice fence. The shorter one.
Oh, the one like that.
The second from this one. He's so happy. And he liked the entire place.